When we step back and think about BYD, it's a company that's achieving the most explosive growth we've ever seen in the auto business in 100 years. So just put some numbers to it. In 2020, BYD sold about 400,000 cars. This year, more than 5 million, in a dramatic upheaval that has taken the global auto industry by surprise. Tesla, the once dominant force in electric vehicles, has been dethroned. The company responsible for this disruption is BYD, a Chinese automaker that until recently remained under the radar outside its home country. Once dismissed as a low-cost alternative, BYD is now outperforming, out-innovating, and outpacing nearly every major automotive brand in the world. With electric vehicles that can charge in just 5 minutes, hybrids that rival and even exceed Toyota's gold standard, and battery technology so advanced it virtually eliminates fire risk, BYD is setting a new benchmark. Governments are lining up to purchase its electric buses, and cities are redesigning infrastructure to accommodate its rapidly expanding fleet. Meanwhile, Tesla is grappling with a significant drop in market share. This raises key questions. How did BYD rise so quickly? Why is the world only now waking up to its dominance? And what does this shift mean for the future of the automotive industry? This is the story of BYD's astonishing rise. But BYD's success didn't happen overnight. It's the result of a long-term vision executed with quiet determination, shaped by years of relentless innovation and operational discipline. While Tesla captivated the public with bold unveilings and Elon Musk's high-profile persona, BYD was methodically building the factories, systems, and technologies that now underpin its dominance. Founded in 1995 by Wang Chuanfu, a chemist from rural China turned entrepreneur, BYD began as a humble producer of rechargeable batteries for mobile phones. Its early focus on nickel-cadmium and lithium-ion batteries wasn't glamorous, but it was strategic and effective. This foundation in energy storage enabled BYD to scale quickly and capture a significant share of the global battery market. A turning point came in 2003 when the company acquired Qinchuan Automobile Company, a struggling state-owned carmaker. What seemed like an unusual move at the time turned out to be a masterstroke. BYD integrated its battery expertise into the full vehicle production process, gaining control over everything from core battery chemistry to final car assembly. This vertical integration would prove to be a powerful competitive advantage. Fast forward to 2024, and as American EV stocks falter, BYD has captured global attention. The company has evolved from a battery supplier into a full-fledged automaker, selling more than 3 million vehicles last year. Unlike the US market, where the average EV sells for around $55,000, BYD offers a car that accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds for only about $10,000. Unsurprisingly, this has triggered growing concern in the US over what BYD's entry into the market might mean. Vertical integration, controlling every stage of production from raw materials to finished vehicles, has become BYD's signature advantage. While companies like Tesla depend on suppliers such as Panasonic and CATL for batteries, and traditional automakers rely on sprawling networks of third-party vendors, BYD builds its own batteries, chips, and vehicle components. This self-sufficiency reduces delays, enhances quality control, and significantly cuts production costs. By manufacturing nearly everything in-house, BYD has created a nimble and efficient operation ready to adapt quickly to shifting market demands and technological changes. BYD first caught the world's attention in 2008 when Warren Buffett, renowned for avoiding speculative tech investments, made an unexpected move. Through Berkshire Hathaway, he invested $230 million for a nearly 10% stake in the company. His backing gave BYD not only a financial boost but also global credibility, transforming it from a regional contender into an international force. With Buffett's support, BYD accelerated its development of plug-in hybrids, fully electric cars, and commercial vehicles like buses, trucks, and taxis. In China, the world's largest EV market, BYD became a household name, supplying fleets of electric vehicles to cities leading the clean transportation push. While Western automakers like GM and Ford lobbied against tougher EV regulations, BYD was already delivering scalable solutions, proving that electric mobility could be practical, affordable, and widespread. At the heart of BYD's strategy is a simple yet powerful principle: control the supply chain and you control the future. Whereas most automakers act as coordinators, juggling countless suppliers and navigating frequent disruptions, BYD operates like a single unified system. Everything from battery production and chip design to software and final assembly is executed in harmony. This tight integration enables exceptional speed, cost-effectiveness, and flexibility. This operational strength has propelled BYD into a dominant position. It now produces batteries that rival Tesla's, manufactures vehicles faster than Toyota, and offers lower prices than Hyundai. In 2024, BYD achieved a major milestone, surpassing Tesla in revenue with $97.7 billion versus Tesla's $94 billion. This wasn't just symbolic, it marked the moment BYD overtook Tesla as the top player in the EV industry. The numbers speak volumes. In 2024, BYD sold around 4.27 million vehicles worldwide, a tenfold increase from 2020. This remarkable growth, achieved in under 5 years, demonstrates BYD's ability to scale quickly while expanding into new markets and broadening its product range. Though China remains BYD's core market, its influence is now global. In 2024, BYD outpaced Tesla in key European markets like Italy and Spain, and is rapidly gaining ground in Germany and the UK, strongholds of legacy brands such as Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. This shift in consumer preferences signals a broader change in the global auto industry. A key driver of BYD's rise is its relentless innovation. The company doesn't wait for trends, it sets them. In 2024, it launched the Super E platform, a groundbreaking EV architecture that supports a 400 km range and can be charged in just 5 minutes using a 1000 kilowatts charging system. This leap in charging speed addresses one of the biggest barriers to EV adoption. With its own high-speed charging network, BYD could surpass Tesla's supercharger system, which currently tops out at 250 kilowatts, and eliminate range anxiety for good. In addition to technological leadership, BYD is reshaping the market with aggressive pricing. Its models like the Dolphin and Seal offer features and range comparable to or better than Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y at significantly lower prices. In value-conscious markets like Spain and Italy, this gives BYD a major competitive edge. These aren't basic budget vehicles, they're sleek, high-tech, and efficient, providing exceptional value without sacrificing quality. The Blade battery, a breakthrough innovation by BYD, has redefined performance, safety, and cost efficiency in the EV world. Built entirely in-house, this lithium iron phosphate, LFP, battery challenges industry norms and gives BYD a significant edge over competitors. Unlike the more common nickel manganese cobalt, NMC, batteries, which are expensive and reliant on ethically fraught materials like cobalt, LFP batteries offer safety, affordability, and fewer environmental concerns. BYD's early decision to prioritize LFP over NMC now looks visionary. What makes the Blade battery truly revolutionary is its structural design. Instead of traditional pouch or cylindrical cells, it uses long, thin blade-like cells arranged side by side. This unique configuration enhances thermal management by maximizing surface area for heat dissipation, significantly reducing the risk of overheating, a critical safety factor in EVs. In fact, it passed the notoriously difficult nail penetration test, where many batteries fail catastrophically. The Blade battery, by contrast, remains stable with only a minor rise in temperature. No smoke, no fire. In addition to superior safety, the Blade battery excels in performance and cost. Its optimized design overcomes the typical energy density limitations of LFP batteries, allowing for long driving ranges without sacrificing reliability. It's also more affordable to produce, and its modular adaptability means it can be used across BYD's entire vehicle lineup, from compact cars to luxury sedans and commercial fleets. This standardization streamlines production and cuts costs. Notably, Tesla has begun incorporating LFP batteries into its Model 3 and Model Y standard versions, but it relies on external suppliers like CATL. BYD's in-house approach offers full control over battery, vehicle, and software integration, resulting in more efficient energy use and better overall performance. The Blade battery also boasts exceptional durability, retaining over 80% capacity after 3,000 charge cycles, far outpacing the typical 1,000 cycles of most EV batteries. This extended lifespan means reduced maintenance and longer vehicle life.